about negative and question sentences using can. Before starting our lesson, let's check it first. When I say class, you say yes. This means pay attention. When I say meter, you say meter. This means repeat after me with a gesture. When I say teach, you say okay, this means you have to teach me. Let's get to it. So what about can? Last lesson we learned about can, right? Can, what is a can? Can is a helping verb. It shows ability. Then, how do you make a negative sentence using can? Can takes not. Okay? Class, meter. To make a negative sentence with can takes not. Can you teach me? Teach. To make a negative sentence with can takes not. Well done. So for example, she can cook. There's a can in this sentence. So can takes not. How to make a negative sentence? She cannot cook. Right? What about this one? She can swim. She cannot swim. Great. What about question sentence? Okay? So to make a question sentence using can jump over the subject. Okay? It's simple. Class, meter. To make a question sentence with can jump over the subject. Can you teach me? Teach. To make a question sentence with can jump over the subject. Well done. So you can see this sentence. She can cook. How do you make a question sentence? Can jump over subject. So we can say, can she cook? What about this one? She can swim. How do you make it? Can she swim? Great. Then how to answer? So yes, she can. No, she cannot. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.